Hey, so you want to build a high converting landing page quickly? Card is perfect for creating simple, beautiful landing pages in minutes. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to design, customize, and publish your landing page. Go to card.co and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Free accounts are great to start, but Pro unlocks features like custom domains and forms. Click New Site on your dashboard. You can choose a pre-made landing page template or start with a blank canvas for full customization. Edit the hero section with a clear headline, sub-headline, and call to action button. This is the first thing visitors see, so make it compelling and concise. Add sections to showcase your product, service, or offer. Include images, text, testimonials, or videos. Keep the layout simple and visually appealing. If you want to capture leads, add a form element. Connect it to your email service or download responses. Make it easy for visitors to submit their info. Adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds to match your branding. Keep it clean and consistent for better conversions. Link buttons to your products, services, or other pages. You can also add social media links to build credibility. Click Preview to see how your page looks on desktop and mobile. Make adjustments if needed to ensure everything is readable and engaging. Once satisfied, click Publish. Free accounts can use a card.co subdomain, while pro users can connect their own custom domain for branding. Share your landing page link on social media, email campaigns, or ads. You can track visits and performance with UTM links or analytics tools to optimize conversions. So yeah, that's how to build a landing page using Card. Pick a template, customize it with a strong hero section, content, forms, and CTA, then publish and share. With a clear, simple design, your landing page can start converting visitors fast.